Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to find an expression for the function whose graph is the given curve, in this case, the line segment joining the points 1, -3, and 5, 7. So when we're looking for the equation, or in this case, the expression, of a line, what we need for that is the slope and the y-intercept. And then we can turn that into y is equal to mx plus b. So first, let's find these. M, the slope, is going to be the change in y over the change in x. What does that actually mean? Well, it means we're going to take these points, this x value and this y value, and from them we're going to subtract these points. So we have 7 minus -3 and 5 minus 1. You could do the subtraction the other way around, but it just has to match. 7 minus -3 is 7 plus 3, which is 10. 5 minus 1 is 4. So this is 2.5, 10 over 4. Now we plug in 2.5 into this equation to get y is equal to 2.5 x plus b. We need to find what b is. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in one of these points, 7 for y, is equal to 2.5 times 5 plus b. 2.5 times 5 is equal to 12.5 plus b. We can subtract 12.5 from both sides. These cancel, and b is equal to 7 minus 12.5, or -5.5. So we now have m, 2.5, and b, -5.5. So we can find the expression for this function. Not exactly the equation of the line. They're just looking for this mx plus b part, right? This is the equation. This is the expression. Hopefully that's clear. So our answer is 2.5x minus 5.5. And if you want, you can include the domain of the function. Since it's only the line segment, it's only valid over this range in between these 2 points. So we can say x is less than or equal to 5 and greater than or equal to 1, right? Between 1 and 5. And this together is the line segment joining the points 1, -3, and 5, 7.